Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Nokia C100 for Straight Talk. So this is a new phone for Straight Talk. It's available now for $39.99. So this is a budget smartphone, so do keep that in mind. You guys will get what you pay for here. So it's available in black there. So the model number is N152DL. So yeah. There's the phone right there. Yeah. So y'all guys have your earpiece or your earpiece and all that. Phone facing camera, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. Nokia logo on the bottom there. On the left side has your micro SD and SIM card slot. On the back of the Nokia C100 is your single rear camera, which is unfortunate, especially in 2022, because a lot of budget phones at least come with the they come in at least with 3 or 4 cameras. So yeah, this one only has a single rear camera, which is very disappointing. You guys have your Nokia logo, track phone branding on the bottom, speaker right there on the back, and it looks like it has like a textured back to it. So yeah, if you guys are looking to get like a backup phone or whatever, this one could be that phone for you. Like I said, the single rear camera thing is a disappointing feature of the phone, especially in 2022, because a lot of budget phones have at least 3 or 4 cameras on the back. Also, the single rear camera would throw red light people off, and that'll probably potentially keep people away from this phone because it only has 1 camera in the back. So here we are, the Nokia C100. Step up to a smartphone, step up to the world of smartphones with the Nokia C100. Simple to use, with the long-lasting battery and powered by the latest Android 12. It's everything you need and nothing you don't. So you get Android 12 on this, which is pretty fucking insane for a $40 phone like this. Pretty fucking sweet. So yeah, of course it says that a service plan is required for activation. Plans are not returnable or refundable there. So that's the front there, front left and right, front left and back. The left side don't have nothing on. I thought it had like a micro SD card or some card slot. So I think the back does come off. So that's good. To access your micro SD and some card slot, the battery does come off. So yeah. So here are the features and specs on the Nokia C100. If you guys want to get more specs and stuff, I will have a link to the official Nokia C100 specs from the Nokia website itself. So check that out. And I'm glad that they finally got features and specs on here, because some phones you guys look at on Straight Talk, they don't have nothing on here, which is very disappointing. But you guys have up to 436 hours of talk time on 4G and 440 hours of 436 hours of standby time on 4G. So there is no 5G on this one. Of course, it's $40. So what do you expect for $40, right? CDMA LTE. Dimensions 5.89 inches height, 2.82 inches width, and 0.38 inches depth. 5.45 inch HD plus display, 18:9 aspect ratio. 8 megapixel rear facing camera with autofocus with flash, front facing 5 megapixel camera, fixed focus, AI, Google camera. 14 hours of battery. So yeah. So y'all guys get pretty decent battery life on here. Hearing compatibility, talk time up to 14 hours on 4G and 22 hours on 3G. The Nokia C100 weighs 6 ounces. So what comes in the box is your Nokia C100 device, charger, which is the charging brick, and USB-C cable. No, actually, it's a USB cable. I don't know if it's I don't know if it's Type C or not. I'm not really sure. You also get a quick start guide as well. More features on the Nokia C100. Smooth operation, pre-installed with the latest version of Android 12 and fully optimized. You'll enjoy a safer, more personal and highly intuitive experience across the device. Now everyone can be a photographer. Take great photos with the 8MP rear camera and let your selfies. So I'm using the front-facing 5MP camera. It's not complicated. The Nokia C100 has all the modern features you need in a smartphone, but at the high price tag, simple, powerful, and reliable without overcomplicating it. So, performance: operating system Android 12, MediaTek A22 processor, MT6761 processor, quad core, 2 GHz, 3 GB of RAM, and 32 GB of storage. That I'll add to that as well. A battery to get you through the day. Make the most of your smartphone with a battery that lasts all day on a single charge. So, yeah. So the Nokia C100 is now here at Straight Talk. It's available now for $39.99. So this would be a great backup phone and whatnot. It does have 4G, obviously. There's no 5G on this phone. It does have Android 12. So that's very good for a $40 phone like this. So if you guys are looking to get a backup phone or whatever, the Nokia C100 could be the phone for you to check out. Like the biggest con about the phone is that it only has one rear camera in the back, and that's a big con because it's 2022 and a lot of budget phones have at least 3 or 4 cameras in the back. So this one only has one, so that would turn a lot of people off from this phone because of that reason. So yeah, there you guys have it, the Nokia C100 now available at Straight Talk. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.